Now we are going to discuss about the stimulation of microprocessor. So first, we have to write a program to stimulate the functions of microprocessor. In macro instruction is a notational convenience for the programmer. It allows the programmer to write the shorthand notation. That is, see, macroprocessor. Whatever values you have predefined before the main, it will be invoking in the program, and when you run the program, those values will be taken and will be giving the output for the user. For example, if I have declared the value of a like 10 before the main program, and I'm using that a value in different programs, and in this program when I'm calling a, it will be just going to that input program that before the main value a, and it will be taken from there. So now here it is that is a list of the macroprocessor. Here we have to get a Java program which includes the macro definition, expand the macro by replacing the macro call with macro body, and when expanding replace the formal parameters. That is, see, whenever you are expanding we'll be giving one macro program. We can expand by macro program by replacing the macro calls along with the macro body. This is the program. So I'm just declaring here a string as empty and I0, and then here again this is my, I'm just creating one file here. Here I'm taking the input, buffer input is used to take the input, and that again this data input is one more, data input stream is one more, which will be giving some input, while str equal to this dot read line, that is up to read line, that is up to end of the line is not equal to null. Then we have to split whatever input you have given, whatever input you have given in the program, that you have to split, and while you are splitting it, that's when you are splitting, it will be splitting up to the end. So starting, if it is equal to hash include, that is cv of 0 dot equals to hash include, then you have to print cv of 0, I mean that value. If that is equal to, see, have two exceptional case like hash include and hash define. Whenever you get hash include and hash define, you can just print those values itself, and when you have the define and pi value, you can just get the pi value from above, which we have already predefined. That is, see, for example, I'll be showing you one example here. So this is my input I'm giving. So here, see, first it will be displaying everything like this pi value I'm giving now. This has to get from the 3.14. This is the thing which we'll be doing the macroprocessor. This is how we expand the code. So and we'll just printing those all, and then if equal to int or equal to sum, we'll be just summing those values from the already predefined values. If that is cv of 0, that is hash include dot equals int, and if it equal to square root, we have to then do the square root, that is it's 5 into 5. If it is we have already given some value, so for that only we are just giving the output here. And again here, see, if cu of 0 dot equals void, that is the starting of the program, then just give the hash include, and again print to the hash include con in system str, and see if that is it doesn't return anything. Void means we will not return anything. Int or anything else means we return. So if we have void, we'll be just displaying whatever function we have already given. So this is the input what I have given. See the input here, I have given this as hash include 2 and define two values, and in the main program I am giving. So when I am running this program, it should get in macroprocessor, while expanding, it should get the pi value here, and we should add those 10 and 20. So when you call this, will be going here, it will be adding those both, and this square will be getting. So when I run, this will be my output. This will be the output of the expanded macroprocessor. Thanks for watching.